Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In reading and writing HDF file using pandas part 3, we will learn how to store heterogeneous data using the pandas. We will use three types of data types: numeric, text, and image to store in a HDF format. First of all, to import the pandas library, numpy, and image processing package of Python. So first of all, to load the library, first of all we will store this numeric data sets in a HDF format. The file name is test.h5 and its key is numeric. Mode is A for append, and we are using two HDF function of pandas to create the file. Now to read the above file using the key num data, so we can use the read HDF method of the pandas. So here is the output of the above file. Now to store the text data sets, so where we have a two Python list, books and software. First of all, we want to convert the above list into the pandas data frame, books and software, and then store the above data frame to the HDF files. Books does to HDF. We are going to save the above data frames in the same file, test.h5. Here key is books and mode is R plus for reading and writing. Software, this is another data frame to HDF. Test this key is software and mode is R plus. Now to read the above, for example, we want to read the above file, so we can use the read HDF with the key software, so it will list the software. In the same way, we can read the books by replacing the software with the books. Key is equal to books. Now to store the image in HDF format using pandas. First of all, here we are opening the image by using the image.open sunflower. So normally image is a color image is three-dimensional array which shape is m cross n cross c, where m is the number of pixel across the height and n is the number of pixel across the width. C is for channels. Normally in color there are three channels: red, green and blue. Now to load the file, so here we are loading the file and saving it to the image np. Now to check the shape, the dimension of the above file, so its dimension is 639.3. There are 600 pixel across the height and there are 390 pixels for width across the width, and 3 is for 3 channels. Now to convert the data to the 3-dimension array to 2-dimensional array, because normally when we use a 3D array to create a pandas data frame, so it raises error, must be 2D input. So that is why we are going to convert the 3D 3-dimensional array into 2-dimensional array. So first of all, because 3 dimension -1 mean we are going to reshape the above array. -1 means to multiply the m and n, and c is the for channels. So now to convert the above array into 3D, its shapes is now this rows, and these are the columns. There are 3 columns, and other represent the rows. Now to write this array to the in the HDF format, we are going to save the above data frame in the same file test.h5 with the key f image, and mode is r plus. Now to read the above file, so now to after reading we want to convert this to the numpy array. Again this is the numpy array, and after numpy array again for displaying the image we convert the 2-dimensional array again to the 3-dimensional array. So now this is the original array, and now to convert this array into the image, so it will display the image. So in this way, first of all we will convert the loaded image into the numpy array, and then from 3D to 2D, and after saving it into HDF format, again after reading we will convert that 2D into the 3D dimension, and in this way we can retrieve the image. Creating groups, we can also create different groups in the HDF file by using the HDF store. Actually read HDF and 2HDF both are using the HDF stores. So here we are again opening the file in the R plus mode, and then we create a group G1 and data set is D1. So and this is the data. For example, this is a data pandas data frame with 3 values, and the other is again we are going to store the second data set D2 in the same group, in the G group, and there is another group G2 in which we are going to store the data set 3. So in this way we are creating 3 data sets and 2 groups. Okay. So first of all here we will open the file, and then we can create the groups. Now after reading to read the data sets D2 from the group T, so we will also in the key we will also mention the group name, and in this way it will display the D2 data sets of the group 1. So in this way we can create different groups by putting the related data sets in the same group. Thank you.